Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your bank account on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device and then proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials or your biometrics. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which if you wish to add your bank account, then scroll down and underneath use your crypto, you can tap on cash out to bank account. You can then choose from the various transfer options and now choose the amount that you wish to transfer. After entering your preferred amount, you can scroll down and view the details of this transaction. Finally, you can proceed forward and you will be asked to enter your bank account details. Just enter the account details, including your account number as well as your password. And once your identity has been verified, your bank account will be linked onto your Paxful right away. And there you have it. That is how you can link your bank account on your Paxful account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.